There is a particular feature in your Samsung phone that will enable you to hide some specific images and videos in your Samsung gallery so that nobody will have access to those images and videos. Only you will have access to those images and videos. So for you to hide some specific images and videos in your Samsung phone, all you need to do is come to your phone and search for secure folder. You guys can see, click on secure folder. This is the first time I'm doing it on this phone, and click on secure folder. Now you guys can see secure folder. Click on secure folder. Welcome to secure folder. Click on continue and click on continue permission. Just wait for some few seconds. It will ask you to generate or create a PIN that you'll be using to log into your secure folder. Okay, there comes it. Now click on done. Once you click on done, here you can click on PIN or password or pattern, anyone, but I'm going to use PIN. Click on PIN and I'm going to create a PIN for the secure folder. Now type your PIN and click on continue and type your PIN again and also click OK. Once you click OK, you can see allow. Click on allow and click on next. You can see it has created secure gallery, camera, internet, contact, my files and all that. Note, now you can, if you open this gallery, you can see there's nothing in it. Now let's go back to my main gallery. I'll go back to my main gallery and open it. Assuming I want to put this file or these two files here, or these three files, let's leave this. Assuming I want to put these three files in my secure folder, once I select all the images and videos that I want to add in my secure folder, what I need to do is come to the down right corner here, click on more and move to secure folder. Once you click on move to secure folder, you can see these three images has now been moved to secure folder. Assuming I want to these images, I want to move these images also in the secure folder. All I need to do is select them, click on this button and move these images secure folder. Okay, the images has been moved to secure folder. Now go back. If you go to your secure folder now, type secure folder. You open your secure folder, it will automatically open. When this will take effect is when you off your phone and on it again and put your fingerprint. Now it's no more in your gallery. Now if you want to access these pictures and videos, type secure folder, click on it. It's going to ask you for the PIN. Put the PIN that you used in creating the secure folder. After putting the PIN, click on done. Once you click on done, go to gallery. You guys can see the videos and the images that I saved in my secure folder. You can see this is very easy for you to create a secure folder in the Samsung phone, hide some specific images and videos, contact and some other files in your Samsung phone. Now make sure you follow for more tips like this.